Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for SOUNDCORE Sport X20 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Now click on the search line and write SOUNDCORE. Search, and you should install this application. Now open it. Allow, agree. Now you can sign in into your account, but I'm going to skip it. Allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!